What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the RDS41, which is a versatile throne. You can use it for DJing or if you're a musician. It has multiple adjustment points. I'm going to show you all of that, but first I'm going to show you how to set it up straight out of the box. Alright, so I have everything here. I have the headrest and then I have the rest of the system. First thing you're going to want to do is remove this pin. You do that by turning the knob. Perfect. Keep the washer with it. You're going to set this straight up. And now there's a hole right here that you have to line up with the hole right here. Align it. And then I'm going to run this pin straight through again. And on the other side, you'll see there's kind of a bolt system here. I'm going to run my pin straight through and then twist right into that bolt. And now this is the edge that goes for your backrest. So you're going to take your backrest, put it right on, then you just screw it into a place. This of course is adjustable and allows you to put it at different levels depending on what kind of comfortability you're looking for, if you want lower back or upper back. I'm just going to put it at the top right now. All right, now let's put it on its feet. So you grab over here. So what you have to do here is take this knob out. So I just removed the bolts, and the next thing I'm going to do is just lean this forward. So you're going to line up these holes with this bolt over here, and then you're going to run your knob straight through again. And you see I'm screwing straight into this. Perfect. And just like that, you could see how easy it was to set up the whole system. But let's talk about all the different adjustable parts on this chair. So the first point is the adjustable back support, where if you turn this knob and loosen it, you can move this up and down. So you could set it to focus on your lower back, or if you really need it, you could set it to focus on your upper back. The next adjustable part of this chair is basically the angle at which your back is resting on the chair. Depending on the situation you are using the chair, you can adjust the angle for the backrest to either a lean back position, or if you need to, a very straight up position. When would you ever use the chair in this position? Well, if you're DJing, this will give you the illusion that you're standing up to your crowd while keeping your back nice and comfortable. So just remember there's 3 different points that you can angle it at. You can have it straight up vertical, a little in between, and then fully reclined. The next adjustable point on this system is right over here, and basically if you remove the bolts, you can go up in height, and this is adjustable from 22 inches to 31 inches. And down here we have the adjustable footrest part of the system, where if you loosen this knob, you can raise it up and down on this beam and kind of set it to match the adjustable height of the seat. So the throne has a very lightweight construction, weighing only 15 pounds, but it's made of very durable steel, which allows the weight capacity to be up to 300 pounds. So the chair has a very quick collapse design, so if you pick it up, you notice the back leg goes in. This just makes it perfect for transporting. And then when you set it right back down, it goes right back into place. So if you're looking for an adjustable, durable, and lightweight throne for your DJ performances, or even your home studio or music room with a piano or a guitar or whatever, look no further than the RDS41 by Rockville. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.